Okay, now I explain how this bird feeder camera works. Okay, when we put all the bird food inside, and the bird food will lean out for the bird watching and eating by themselves. Okay, when the bird they came here and enjoy the food, and our camera is aside watching, standby. When there is birds flying movement in front of the camera, it has a motion detector inside this. Okay, when the bird comes, the camera will be switched on and make the record video loaded into the TF cars. And when the bird playing here and enjoying their food, their video is well recorded in your SIM cards. Okay, and then when the bird fly away, the camera will be switched off automatically. Okay, this kit is very easy for assemble onto your fence and on your wooden table. Anything else by wooden. So our kit is very beautiful looking and safety usage, and most important is that the price is not expensive. So welcome for any production processing detail inquiry to our email DragonHOmeIdea@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Bye.